Possible to generate over 1,150,000 naira in less than 5 days distributing a product that I am not even the person who produced the product. I am not the owner, I'm not the farmer, but I've been able to make this money. For some of you who have followed me for a long time, I've been selling this product for more than 5-6 years right now. And in this video, I want to show you, because many people have reached out to me. Can you show me how I can start this? Can you supply this product to me? Because the product has a lot of demand. Now, we are not the same. Maybe you even know how to market more than me. You can speak more than me. You know how to reach out to people more than me. If only you are going to follow the step I'm going to share with you today, you'll be able to earn way more than this. In fact, in 2017, I was able to make my first 700,000 came from selling this particular product, which is honey, pure undiluted honey. I've been selling honey since 2017 till today, and it has been my best product. Let me share this story with you, and please don't laugh, but you will learn. So during 2021, when I lost my farm, people invested in my farm. I took the money, invested in agriculture. Then accidentally, we had flood on my farm. I lost all my birds, lost my fish, all my pigs died of African swine fever. And I was owing people. Many people started dragging me on social media. Oh, this fraudster, you scam us. You took our money to buy something somewhere. In fact, someone say I built a house, bought a car. When they reported me to EFCC with those kind of statements, I was there in the office. So the EFCC person say, we don't work with hearsay. Since you know that he bought a car and built a house with your money, just take us to that place or snap pictures of the car and the house and send to us. Immediately we'll go and seize it. So I was like, okay, let's see where the house is. Till today, nobody know where the house is. And I'm staying in Nigeria, in Benue State. I've not traveled outside of Nigeria or anywhere. So what I'm trying to say here is that during those days, I had nothing to sell. But guess what? I've done storage of honey. I think I bought that honey in 20 keg. I bought the honey 20 keg and stored. You know, one thing with honey is that if you store honey today, that honey can stay for more than 2,000 years. It will not get bad, especially if it is undiluted. So the one I bought was undiluted. I stored the honey for more than, since 2021. I sold that honey in 2023. By this time, I've lost my business. I had no source of income coming in for me. So I kept this honey inside my room. So one day, I just decided, okay, just post this honey on social media. I posted it on my WhatsApp status, and people started reaching out to me. Another thing I did was that I repackaged it in 1 liter. I took it around where I was staying, show people, oh, I have honey. Many of them were like, oh, we have been looking for undiluted honey. Are you sure it's undiluted? I said, yes. They say, okay, how can we verify? I did the test for them, showed them more than 3 steps to verify the originality of honey. So when they saw that, the place order, I was able to sell that honey, and the honey made me a lot of money. That time, it was very big for me, and I was able to feed my family, do so many other things with the honey. So it has been a product for me that have saved me so many times. So if you're watching this video, you can even go into honey storage. You make a lot. I remember one of my friends reached out to me and said, oh, let's do honey business. I told you, okay, bring at least 2 million naira. Let's buy the honey, keep it somewhere, I'll be reselling. He said, I'll get back to you. He did not. So the time he reached out to me that time, the price of honey has increased more than 10,000 naira. So let's assume we bought at that 2 million naira 20 liter, and we did the storage, and we're making 10,000 per keg. For, let's assume we bought 100 keg or 50 keg. Guess how much we have today? But that's that. So what I'm trying to say here is this: honey is a product that you can sell. Honey have a lot of buyers already. You have no idea how many people in your community that are looking for honey right now. You have no idea how many people on your WhatsApp status that if you post, the only thing they will add to is that, are you sure it's original honey? And they will start telling you, the last time I bought, it was fake. And the other time I bought, it was not original. And because of that, they are discouraged. They don't want to patronize honey vendors again. But don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how you can identify quality honey and how you can start making money from honey even if you don't have a bee farm. I don't own a bee farm. I only know a few persons who own bee farm, and I work with them. They don't have the network I have. They don't have the knowledge I have. They don't know that they can market on social media. They don't have the kind of network I have. So I use that influence that I have to market this product. I make money, they all make money, and they are happy. Many times they reach out to me, oh, billionaire farmer, we have honey for sale. Can you help us to get buyers, stuff like that. And this is the same thing you can do. So let me show you how to get clients to buy your honey. If you need a supplier for honey, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll supply the honey to you. But first, I want to show you how you can get buyers. Because after buying the honey from me, how can you resell? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. Last few days ago, someone watched one of my videos I made about honey in 2021 or 2019. I can't remember, but the video is here on YouTube. And the person reached out to me, billionaire farmer, I need 5 keg of honey. So I told him my price. How much am I selling? Currently, a keg of honey that I'm selling is 115,000 naira. That is 20 liters. Clean, well clean. We have cleaned it, remove all the dirt. So it's pure honey that if you buy, you just repackage in smaller bottles and start selling. So we are selling it for 115,000. This is plus logistic to where you are. Right. So the guy reached out to me and he told me, oh, I need a 4 keg. So that 4 keg, if you do your check, that was around 420,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. I supplied to him. Now, the next step, he called me and said, oh, billionaire farmer, I've checked this honey. It's like, it's not original. I'm scared of selling it. I said, calm down. What are the tests you did? He told me, oh, I did this, I did. I said, okay, follow this step now. He reached out to me the next time. Oh, I've checked. I'm so sorry about the statement I made. I'll even attach the screenshot. I'm sorry about the statement I made. I was just being skeptical. I've discovered that the honey is good. Nothing is bad about the honey. I'm going out to market my product. Guess what this guy did? He broke down the honey in smaller quantities. I think 1 liter or so. And he told me he got 19 liters. Because of course, when we sell 20 liter, if you buy the 20 liter and you package it back in 1 liter, it might not give you 20 liter exact. I have to be frank with you on that. So that you don't buy the honey and say, oh, billionaire farmer, you told me it's 20 liter. But why is it that I bought and unchecked? It's not, how, because we don't fully to the brim. This is honey, pure honey, not water. If you buy palm oil, or let's say you buy groundnut oil, they don't fully to the brim. So we have a line where we put this honey to. I have to explain that for you so that you will not reach out and then you feel disappointed that and this boy have defrauded me. No, man, we don't fully to the brim. Sometimes you can get even 20 liter, but 19 liter is sure for you. So why am I saying this? So that you do your search and see whether it's profitable for you. So the guy is now marketing his honey. He have designed his stickers and he's promoting the product very hard. I think he's based in Ondo State or so. I can't remember. Now the next customer came out and said, billionaire farmer, I want to be buying this honey in large quantity, but I've never bought it from you before. So I want to first test. Let me see. He bought 5 keg. 5 keg, if you check, that is 575,000 naira. Right? He sent the 575,000. And then I call my storekeeper. We supply. The guy is based in Abuja. We send the honey to him. He bought the honey, and the next step, he called me again. Billionaire farmer, send me another 5. That is how much? Another 575,000 naira. I sent him the honey. He said, okay, send 3 keg to my sister in Abuja. Send 2 keg to my sister in Lagos. And we have distributed all of this. Why am I telling you this? You can see how much I've made from this honey. This is less than 5 days. The first sales was 440,000. The second sale was 575,000. Then 575,000 again. Do your check. All this within. Now, this is not pure profit, right? But if you check my profit, I've made good money from it. I don't want to tell you how much I've made so that you will not say give me discount. But I made good money from it. Why am I telling you this? Many people will not tell you. If you're looking for a business you want to start, you want to build a product, you want to have a brand, you want to stop hustling, you need to have something that is giving you extra income. Honey is not something that will get bad. It's easy to sell honey. Let me show you another way you can get client for your honey. There are many ways. I'm going to share, let's say, 2 practical ways you can get client. First thing is you can resell your honey to other vendors on social media. This is how it works. When I was starting out in honey business, I did my search on Instagram. I went on Instagram and searched honey sellers. I saw a lot of vendors. Some were selling for 5,000 per liter, 7,000 per liter, 3,000 per liter, 2,000 per liter. As at that time, I was selling my honey for 1,500. The person that was supplying to me, I think she was giving me for 800 or so. Or let's say 1,000. She was giving me, but it was below 1,000. I was reselling that same honey for 1,500. I'm not doing anything to it. In fact, the honey was still with her. If I get client, I'll just call her to supply the honey. So when I saw how people were selling 5,000, 7,000, I copied their WhatsApp contact. I sent a lot of them messages, more than 20. Some of them responded, some did not. And some that responded, they say, oh, we would love to patronize you, but we don't know if your honey is original. So how can you guarantee? I say, no problem. I'll send you 5 liters free. Don't pay. So what did I do? I used my own money. I think that was, I think I used over 50K for sampling alone. I used my own money, bought the honey from this lady, and packaged it in smaller quantities for 4 liters. So if I reach out to you and you are trying to say, I don't know if your honey is original, I'll say, no problem. I will send you the honey free. Carry the honey, take it to the lab, do all the tests that you want to do. If you verify that the honey is undiluted, you can order from me. If you verify that it's diluted, no problem, I've lost. I'm that confident in the product that I'm selling. Guess what? A few of them responded, and I sent the product to them, they tested it, and I started supplying to them. I made a lot of money from that. It was around 2022 that I stopped selling honey. Or let me say, I retired from selling honey, because as at that time, I was facing a lot in my business and my brain was not at a steady state to start promoting things on social media or even responding to calls. In fact, I off my phone and I was just offline. So when I came back to selling honey, I just called back all my clients. I have honey now. There's one in Lagos. She's into coconut chips production, and she used honey as one of the ingredients. I'm the only person that is supplying to her. And she connected me with one of her friends. They buy honey almost every 2 months. Only then, if I'm serving only then, I don't need to be stressing myself to serve other clients. That is the beauty of honey. Once people know that the one you're selling is undiluted, they will continue buying from you. There is one woman in Port Harcourt. The entire family, they use only honey. And this woman buy for honey. She has been buying honey from me since 2017. It was 2022 when my line was off. I was not on social media that she didn't know what to do. She started buying from other people. But today, she still tell me, your own is the best. When I buy for you, I'm that confident. So that is another way to get client. And through social media, you can still be posting your product. Right on your WhatsApp status, you can be promoting your product. Oh, I have this product to sell. You can come and buy from me. You don't know how many people are looking for this honey. Another people that you can sell your honey to are pharmacies. All the pharmaceutical shops within your community, all the small chemist shop within your community, they need honey. They are looking for vendors of honey. You can supply to them. Maybe you break it down in 1 liter or 75 cl bottles. Buy clean bottles. This entire business, you can even start it with, let's say, 500,000 or even less. Buy small bottles, package it neatly, put your sticker, put your phone number. You don't even need NAFDAC number at a start. Package your honey very well. Supply to them. Let them know that, okay, you have honey to sell. And once the test, you are not even the one to guarantee them whether it's fake or not. They know what to do to verify. Once they verify that your honey is original, they need it for wound treatment. How about people who are into skincare production? They use a lot of honey. Many of them, they are looking for someone who can supply them original one. Not someone who will give them original today, because they are joking with people's skin. So if they use the one that is bad, it will affect them. they can afford to pay any amount once they verify that your honey is original. Another set of people you can supply this honey to are hospitals. You visit hospitals with your product. In fact, when you go to hospitals, many times the doctors there will be telling people, oh, this is your operation that we have done. If you want the skin to be back, go and buy honey. They don't even have themselves. They will say, go and buy. Get the original one, apply on this one. It will be. So these are areas in which you can sell honey. If you are looking for a product to sell, you should buy honey and start. And then let's assume you don't even know where to source this honey. This is where I come in. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. This is my business. I will show you the step by step of verifying whether the honey is fake or diluted or undiluted. Because when you know this, you are good to go. I have someone who reached out to me a few weeks ago in Kano State, and he was telling me that he had the contact to supply honey abroad. But one of the issues they had was that the person who supplied the honey to them say, oh, it's original. But when they took it there, those people went to the lab, did their test, and they discovered that it was diluted. And I was telling you that I knew a farmer who has honey, or a bee farm, sorry, and he sells honey, but he harvests his honey once a year. And when he's selling 1 gallon of his honey, he would cut the price for you. You will not be able to buy. Why? He's that confident. He has his own clients. He has his own customer base. They are not those who are bargaining. 1 liter will pay 4,000. Their issue is not 1 liter. Their issue is how original it is. Where is it coming from? We want to know the source of the honey. Who is the farmer? Where? So if you have those kind of detail, you can sell 1 liter of honey for 20,000. People will buy. Many people who use honey are just people who are health conscious. It's not a common product that you can see everywhere. So if you are looking for a product that you can start selling to make good money, I would recommend you to start with honey. And some of you who are already into honey business, I will advise to push it harder. Bro, it's a big product that you're selling. If you're not making sales, try this step that I've shared with you. Reach out to people who are selling honey. See their prices. If your own is lesser than what they have, offer to be their supplier. Be careless. Let me say, be careless enough to sell sample to people. Many of them will not buy back, but majority, or let me say, a percentage of them will be willing to work with you, and that is how you make money from this product. So I just share with you my secret of making money through honey sales. It's a big product that will bring you good money. It has been pretty money for me for more than 5-7 years right now, and I want you to also try it and see how you can make money from it. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be blessed. I remain Denison. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.